Application of conjugate of a binomial sort. Examples. Evaluate the following. From the first question, we can see that we have a binomial sort. Look at the conjugate also. This is also a binomial sort. Look at the conjugate. Now, when you are trying to multiply a binomial sum and its conjugate, how do you handle the question? And we are going to bring in what we call the principle of difference of two squares. Solution. The first one we have root 7 plus root 3 in bracket into root 7 minus root 3. We need to recall this. Recall that when you have a plus b into a minus b, what will you have? This will give us a squared minus b squared. That's difference of two squares. So here, this will give us what? Root 7 raised to the power of 2, then minus root 3 raised to the power of 2. So what will be the answer to this? Root 7 raised to the power of 2. These 2 will go with the square root, we have 7. These 2 will go with the square root, we have 3. What is 7 minus 3? That is 4. 4 is the final answer. For the b part, we are still going to apply this relationship. So we have 6 root 3 in bracket minus 2 root 5 into bracket 6 root 3 plus 2 root 5. Now, from what we have here, we are going to have 6 root 3 squared based on this. Then minus 2 root 5 squared. But don't forget for this, the 2 will affect each expression inside the bracket. So we are going to have 6 squared, then root 3 squared, minus 2 squared, and we also have root 5 squared. Don't forget, these 2 will go with the square root, and the 2 here will go with the square root. Now we have 6 squared is what? 36. Then into 3 minus, what do we have here? 4 into 5. Now from here we have 36 times 3. That is 108. Then minus 4 times 5. We have what? 20. What is 108 minus 20? That is 88. That's the final answer. Thank you.